Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making Masaledar Kaleji gosht. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a bowl of 2 cup water. Add in 1 tablespoon of salt and mix. Add in the Kaleji liver. Mix again. Add in ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, then mix. Now take a utensil and pour in ½ cup of oil. Add in 3 chopped up medium-sized onions. Mix and cook until it is golden brown. Pour in 3 blended tomatoes. Mix it together. Now add in the meat and mix everything together. Close the lid and let it cook until the water has dried out. Now add in ½ teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of corianders, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of zira cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together. Add in the chopped up Kaleji liver. Mix again. Pour in 1 glass of water. Mix once again. Let it cook until the water dries out. Add 4 cut up green chilies. Mix in the curry. Now your Masaledar Kaleji gosht is ready to be served.